Okay, very good. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just want to say this is going to be a video recorded with no brows, redness, and my dark circles in full action. So today I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from Tjmaxx, Ross, and Marshalls. Just a few things, not really too much. So I want to go ahead and just share it with you guys before I like put everything away and stuff like that. So if you're not already, please subscribe. Hit the red button and you'll be subscribed. It's free 99. It don't cost you a penny. And definitely give me a thumbs up also. And if this is something you're interested in seeing, then without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is from Marshalls and HomeGoods. They're both like together in the same store. So like in the same lot, I should say. So hold on. So I got these slides. These, I don't know if they're like boys. I'm pretty sure they're like in, you know, like youth size. These are a size 9. Now I don't wear a size 9 in woman or men or anything like that. So I'm definitely thinking we're in the youth like section or whatever. These were $9.99 and these are Nautica. So they're just like a navy blue. I can wear these, you know, with anything. I live in Florida, if you guys don't know. So we get a lot of use of this. The next thing I got is this nice little like clutch wallet. So it's orange and pink on this side and then kind of light pink and like white on this side. So it's pretty cute, really nice, gonna be for like the springtime, summer. This is Steve Madden, by the way, and it was on clearance for $12.99. So I like checked it and everything and there's nothing wrong with it. So I was like, okay, I'll take it. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. I looked inside and everything like that and it's up to par, so I decided to get this. The next thing I got here, if you know me, you know I love color. I'm all about it. Anything like weird or whatever, not the norm, I'm all about it. So I decided to get this shirt, although it's not weird in a sense, but it's just very colorful. It's a tie-dye shirt. I don't own anything tie-dye, so I was like, why not? I don't know, it just like was speaking to me. You know when something like speaks to you and it's like, psst, you, come here. Yeah, that's what this is. So this is just a plain tee and it was $6.99, so not bad. The next thing I got is a purse. I'm starting to like grow my purse collection. I was all into purses, but then I became a mom and then I was all into like carrying a diaper bag and you know, I just forgot about purses. So now I'm starting to get back into, you know, wearing my purses again and building my purse collection. So I got this one. I thought it was pretty cute. As you can see, it's a larger one and it's just like a beige and cream. So you know, I can wear this with anything. This is from the brand Anne Klein. And this was priced at $24.99, so really not bad at all. And it retails for $95, so definitely a win-win. I love it. It's really pretty. Really random, but I got my son some shorts, some little cargo shorts. And these are really nice because they're Nautica and I thought the price was amazing. So these were $9.99. They originally would go for $34.50. So for some nice like cargo pants he can wear, really nice. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys, I was super excited when I saw these. I was like, I need those. Like, I fell in love. So I purchased these sneakers. I don't know how well they're showing up on camera, but they are super bright. And like I said, if you know me, you know me. So just a little fun fact. In high school, I had like all the sneakers. I was all about fashion back then. But then growing up to an adult, I'm just like, give me a shirt, some leggings, some socks, and I'm good to go. You know how that goes, right? So, you know, now I'm just starting to get back into like the funk of things, you know? So these are like a bright neon pink and a neon yellow. I'm obsessed. Like, obsessed. So it came with the like shoelaces, so I don't know if I'm gonna do like one neon yellow, one pink, or like kind of tie it in between. But guys, these were amazing. So I think these were like $25-$30. I took off the tag. But yeah, these were like between $25-$30. You can't go wrong. Pumas, they're so cute. So cute. Like, I'm legit like obsessed. Like, you guys have no idea. I'm loving them. So that's my favorite purchase of all. From Ross, because like I said, I went to Ross too. I got these right here. These are a size 8. So this is a size 8 in woman. So it gives me just a little bit more like wiggle room. Like I said, I'm a 7 in woman, but these just give me a little bit more wiggle room. And these were $16.99. So this is what they look like, and they're very lightweight. I like that they're pink, so I got these. And then I got these 2 items here. So I got this. This was from Tjmaxx. This was $4.50 in the clearance section. So this is the hemp and hyaluronic ultra moisturizing day cream. So there you go. That's what it looks like. So this has hemp seed oil in it, and I've never tried anything like this that has like the hemp products in it, so I wanted to try it. So this is what it looks like, and this is a, what is this, a 1.69 fluid ounces. So I was interested to try that. And then the last thing I have here is the 360 Coral. I don't know if you guys like the 360 perfume. I do, to like, you know, just depending on my mood that day. But they had like this, you know, body spray. This was in Ross for $6.99. So I decided to get it. It smells really nice and fresh, not too sweet, you know, so it's a nice like kind of like spring fresh scent, if that makes any type of sense. So I decided to just pick this up, and plus the bottle was cute. So yeah, that pretty much concludes everything that I got this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It was just a quick haul, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have anything to say, just, you know, leave me a comment down below. Just say hi, even if it's hi. I just want to interact with you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.